Hello guys, welcome to How to PC channel, and today I'll show you how to change your profile picture in Tango. So let's get started, and firstly let's open Tango. So now you have to tap on your profile picture at the top left corner of the screen. Okay, so in the first place you can see your account, just tap on it. And now at the top right corner you can see the edit icon. Tap on it again, and finally we have reached the necessary page. So here you can change your name, nickname, and of course you can change your profile image. To change it, just click on your profile image. So allow Tango to access photos and videos, and now select any photo. After that, tap on Set Photo, and to confirm the changes, tap on the check mark at the top right corner. And as you can see, my avatar has changed. So that's how you can change your profile image on the Tango app. If this video was useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comment if you want, and like this video. Thank you, bye bye.